Oh, we got a real fun one here. Car hauler. That's an airbag. So we're gonna see if I can get this raised high enough. Okay, so he is gonna raise the trailer. You just raised it?
Yeah.
I got it capped off here. Basically, I'll show you on this one. You take the airline off of the bad airbag, cut the air off from getting to it. So you either cap it, zip tie it, bend it. Basically, don't let the air get to the airbag. You want to raise all the airbags, and a good trick sometimes is actually getting your leveling valve, disconnecting it, and raising the bags even higher. Now he's got a button that's raising the trailer. I can already see it's helping me out. But you want to get this thing raised up as high as possible, especially since it's a car trailer. You don't have much room underneath. So when you're actually trying to take it off, you get your 2 bolts coming up. Use 1 1/8 sockets to take those off. And I just push it down and out of the way. Now I got to get the bolt that's on the bottom. All right, you can't really see the bolt, but it's right there. That's the bottom bolt. I get my socket on it. I don't know if I'm enough room for my air gun, but there's your airbag. And it looks like I'll have enough room to get it out, no problem. I was afraid I wasn't gonna have any room, but it looks like when you raise this trailer up, it's actually a lot easier than what I thought it was gonna be. It's a little tip that I guess I just learned for myself. Unbolt the bottom first. Oh, yeah, because this one keeps spinning. All right, well, this has been a pain. I had to get the air tanks loose to be able to fit the new one in. I wasn't able to fit the old one out. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get it out, and maybe just have the driver drive, and I can just kind of pull it out, make sure it don't damage anything. But it's stuck down there. Got the new one in. Like I said before, good trick is to cut the airline off to the airbag that is bad, so you can raise up your airbag. Now be careful though, you've got a heavy load, you don't want to raise it just with the airbags. You want to get a frame jack. Like I said, I had him, he took the car off of this one, so I'm able to do it. I got this one in, got that bottom screw on, about to tighten it up, tighten the top ones, and then we're going to be getting moving. All right, got it on there. It's got a little plug you got to get off the old one and put that on. Air the little air line, tighten the bottom, tighten the top, air it up, test it out. And it was a pain, but it's doable. Just a pain. And I'm still gonna have to figure out how to get that out. So we'll work on that.
See if I can get the shit off today.